How to solve data restore tool app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is we're going to go to the settings of the device. Now just scroll down and you can find the option of settings. Now scroll down and you can see the option of app management. Just tap on that. Then tap on app list, and here you can search for your application. So just search for data restore tool, or you can scroll down and get your application. So just tap on the data restore tool application and then select on force stop, which is at the bottom of the screen. Tap on OK. Now all we need to do is go back and we're going to go to the Play Store application now to check if there are any updates available for the application, because a lot of times outdated applications also create an issue. So just search for data restore tool in the Play Store application and check if there are any updates available. Now as you can see, there are no updates available, so I'm just going to go back and tap on power button. Then tap on restart, and restarting your device also solves your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.